Hey guys, how about a quick look at this really cool rear view mirror, front and rear cam. So you put this in the place of your rear view mirror, and it's got several different modes. You can use it as just a regular mirror. You can use it as a split screen to see the front and the rear. Nice reflective coating, as you can see. Or just use it as a front or simply a rear cam. There's our ports back there. There's our clips already on there. There's our camera right there. Let's see what else we got. So we got all the hardware too neatly in place. Everything we need to get this up and running. So we got a little adhesive strip for this plug-in right there. So there's a little bit of wiring. A little cleaning cloth for the screen. Of course, I'll have to get into these instructions to find out the names of a lot of these things. Looks like some brackets. We're going to hold this up in place and keep it going strong. This will plug into your car's charger. With the C port right there. More of these silicone / rubber brackets, and of course here is our instructions and our user manual, which I'm about to go through right here, learn what I can about this, and I want to get this up and running because my commute is insane and I see a lot of things, so this is great to have this added insurance right here. So this is it, guys. We'll get it up and running. We'll see how well it works, and we'll write some words for you. Thanks for checking this out.